Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add two blank lines in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add two blank lines. Click inside the text box. Then go to the tab Paragraph Settings. Then move the window and click Tabs option. Then select the tab stop position 4.5 and choose the line option and click set. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard. Then press enter. Then again press tab on our keyboard. And we can see we add two blank lines very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.